That morning, the sun began to rise slowly, reflecting warm light off the mud-covered surface of a blue sports car. This Ford Mustang had just endured a tough journey. Muddy roads, rain and rugged terrain. Every patch of mud on its body was a testament to an unforgettable adventure. Beside the car, a beautiful woman calmly and focusedly began cleaning the front wheels. Her hands moved slowly, wiping away the clinging mud, as if erasing the traces of fatigue from a mighty machine. Soap suds flowed along the car's curves, dripping onto the ground, carrying away the dirt and stories of a long journey. The sound of flowing air, the running sponge on the car's paint job, and the drops falling to the floor created a calming atmosphere. This wasn't just a car wash. It was a process of maintenance, a tribute to the strength and beauty of a vehicle. Every part was meticulously cleaned, the dirty rims, the mud-covered tires, and the front fascia slowly regaining its original luster. The blue paint, once covered in dirt, now began to shine, reflecting the morning light elegantly. The woman smiled faintly. There was satisfaction in every movement, because beneath the luxury and speed of this sports car was a bond. Between man and machine, a bond, built through care, patience, and pride. The mud that had once clung to it was now sloughing away bit by bit. The Mustang seemed reborn, cleaner, shinier, and ready to hit the road again. A powerful engine, an iconic design, and an unfading spirit of freedom. When the last of the water rinsed away the remaining suds, the car stood proud, clean, shiny, ready for the next adventure. Because every journey leaves a footprint, and every footprint deserves to be cleaned before embarking on a new journey.